Hello, welcome to part 2 of my Kyosho build, and here's the body which you saw in the previous video, all done and ready for the chassis. And this is the kit. Now the kit actually comes 70% pre-made, so what I'll do is I'll open up the box and I'll just take out everything so you can see what you get. Right, so you get instructions. And you have your wheels and tyres, which are all pre-mounted and ready to go. This bag's already opened because this contains 2 grills. The one that I've already fitted to the body, which is what I call the single headlamp grill, and then there's another one in here, which is what I call the twin headlamp grill. You also get light buckets for both grills as well, and the remainder of the decals that I haven't used are also in that bag. Right, so this is the main bag of parts, and you have pre-made shocks in there which you have to put your oil in, and there are various other bits and bobs in there like the rear cage to be made up, etc. Now I've also got this Traxxas XL5 ESC, and I'm going to use that in it. I also have the 12-turn Titan motor to go with this, but that's a 550 can, so I don't know if that will actually go in this chassis. If it doesn't fit, I will stick with the 15-turn brushed. This is the pre-made chassis, and this is the last thing in the box, and there it is. So you can see the main bulk of the chassis is already pre-assembled. These are just foams on here. So as you can see, I have to add the shocks to the front and the rear. This is where the battery will sit, and I assume that obviously the motor is going to go into the rear axle just there. Hopefully you can see that. Now the thing about the Pro kit is you get this rear cage, and it has 2 spare wheels in it, which puts a bit more weight on the back axle, so that'll give it a bit more grip, which I think is pretty good myself. I like that. So that's pretty much as I know. Oh, the other thing I will mention, that with the Pro kit, extras that I know of, you get these metal skid guards here and along the front here. They are actually plastic on the Ready to Run and the Ready to Run Pro as well, as far as I'm aware. The shock absorbers I think are also metal with the Pro kit, but we'll get a bit more into that later on into the video. Right, so I put in the Traxxas Titan 12-turn 550 can, and that actually fits very well. There seems to be enough gap between the end of the can and the suspension arm, and if that does work out, it'd be brilliant because it will be paired up with the Traxxas XL5 ESC that it came with. If for some reason it doesn't work out, I can fall back on the Core RC 15-turn 540 can that I bought for it in the first place.